an interesting tidbit. This rembeauty palette says that it is Smitten Kitten, yet when I was online making choices at the beginning of the month, it said Midnight Shadows. Welcome to the final Boxycharm by Ipsy for 2023. Yes, it is amazing that we are to December. Final box of the year from this brand. They will be on my channel next year, so stick around. But let's see what's in this box first. Okay. One of the items that they chose for me is by rembeauty, and it is an eyeshadow palette. And we are not doing swatches. I agree, because I have a lot of palettes already swatched that I have not used that have similar colors. So we're going to set this one aside for a gift for someone in the future. I think that's a good idea. No reason to waste. The other item that was chosen for Anne is a black mascara. This is from Iconiclindon Enrich and Elevate Mascara. So we're not going to dig into this one quite yet. I am still sorting through that benefit advent calendar with lots of mascaras. So I want to sort through and see what mascara does what for your lashes and keep the ones I know I want to try and keep closed up ones that we can pass along to someone else. In the 3 choices that I got to make, I picked one of my favorite brands, Purlisse. Oh, she does love her some good Purlisse. That I do. This is a kale and vitamin K exfoliator, rich in phytonutrients, detoxifies and tightens pores. It's for all skin types, even sensitive. So I've taken a sniff through the safety seal. It has a little bit of a, well, kale scent to it. What am I expecting? It has kale in it. So I don't know if this is going to be top of my line favorite, but I am excited to give this one a try. Anyone else out there ever tried this? Let us know in the comments down below. We have Extraordinary Brightening from Ciatelondin. And this was something else that I was very excited to pick for my box. This is a concealer with the intent of helping to brighten one under eye area. And I qualify in that. So I'm excited to give this a try. From luckychick, we have a lip scrub. Yes, we do have a lip scrub. This is in the scent Sweet Vanilla. And that's what it looks like. It has a safety seal. I'm leaving it packaged up until it's ready to be used. Yet, what a nice scent for the holiday season. A nice sweet vanilla. Overall, I am very pleased with everything that came in this month's box. I think they're doing a great job. What did you see that caught your attention? Leave us a comment down below. I'm a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. And now I'm going to hop into the nitty-gritty. If you're into that, great. If not, scooch on ahead, and there should be another video popping up that you can take a look at and keep on watching. Yes, please keep on watching our channel. So in the nitty-gritty, this gives us 5 full-size items. We get to choose 3 of them. Monthly is $28 a month. I'm doing an annual plan, so that gets me down to $25 a month. Shipping is free, but you still gotta pay tax. Can't get away from taxes. For the specific items this month, the Iconiclindon Black Mascara has a retail of $29. The rembeauty eyeshadow palette has a retail of $24. The Purlisse Vitamin Kale Exfoliator has a retail of $35. The ciatelondin Under Eye Brightener has a retail of $24. And the luckychick Lip Scrub has a retail of $18. So that gives me $130 for the box, which I think is not only a good investment on the price point that I put in, yet for my needs and for my being able to share with others, I think that's a very good value. Thank you for watching today. Yes, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. We would appreciate it. We hope to see you in another video. And if you have the time, check out something else that is probably popping up on the screen right now. Happy holidays! Happy holidays!